Hi guys, Leah Hill here with Harvest Hills Ranch, and I'm going to show you how to place an order and navigate the store. Make sure you always read the information on the banner, as it'll tell you any new things that are happening at the ranch. Select the items you would like to place in your cart. It's going to ask you for your zip code. From here, it'll tell you any relevant information to your order. It'll show what items are currently in your cart. Now that I've selected the items I would like to purchase, I will click my cart. Verify that everything in your cart is correct. And check out. If you have a pre-existing account, it'll pull up your information here if you hit the Remember Me button. If you would like to check out as a guest, not a problem. Simply enter in your information. Enter in your delivery address. Any special instructions, if you have a gate entry code, this is where you would put it. If you have any leave behind a specific place on a column or inside a door, anything of that nature, you let us know. Now it's going to validate the address, and on this example, it'll show what it'll look like. From this step, you would place in your card information. Then once you've hit next step, it'll review your order. This is where you make sure that your phone number, your email address, and your delivery address is correct. From here, the email address you've entered, you will receive an automated order confirmation email. This will contain the time frame and the date of your direct home delivery. If you have any questions beyond what we've shown in this video, please use the contact tab on harvesthillsranch.com and we'll get your questions answered.